João, in the FX and CFD industry, predominantly it's been MT4, now it's MT5,
Yes.
controlling the whole industry with all the different brokerages out there. How does one platform cater to the needs of so many traders and been able to stay around for so long?
I think I personally myself, I don't like MT4. I'm open. I'm open on that. But at the end of the day, it's what everybody uses. And when this happens, as Matt was saying, is the reliability of a platform, because MT4 and MT5 are in fact an old school type of platforms, which everybody uses, but also is a kind of platform that you find content, information in every kind of media channel, any kind of user or trader knows and have content about it. I think that the fact that it's in fact a reliable platform, because there's people are used to it in terms of opening, closing trades is relatively easy. There's a lot of information about that, and also is the possibility of drafting lines of codes in terms of indicators, in terms of expert advisors, in terms of all kinds of tools that you might need in MQL4, MQL5, which are languages which been in the market for so many years, where people always have some kind of content that can help them on their trading. So this information, the way that people are able to access this information in a much better and faster way makes it the choice, because people are overall and generally speaking taking always the easiest option. There were in fact platforms in the market which, in my opinion, were better than MetaTrader 4, but they were not able to succeed, and they end up closing it, because it's not only a lot of development needed to have a proper stable platform, but is also the information, how easy it is to explain to a trader, exactly in terms, especially those who like charting, etc., to have more information in that regard. I have a lot of clients right now, and I'm always very open on these kind of things in terms of names. I'm not publicly being sponsored by anyone. Let it make it straight. But I have a lot of clients which they follow a lot charting tools like TradingView and many other tools that are in the market, which are in fact helping them to analyze the market, and then they just press the button on MT4 because it's their broker's trading platform. So I think that concept of having everything into the trading platform, I think we are leaving a bit that part. I think people are using much more tools outside the trading platform for their own analysis, and then just use the platform just to trigger the trade. So this is the way that market is heading. Also, we are adding a much more wider range of assets, which MetaTrader 4 is not able to accommodate, and that's why brokers are now adding MT5 as well, exactly to have a wider number of groups, instruments, assets, etc., to accommodate as well all these new stocks and so on. On the other hand, they cannot get rid of the MT4 because people have, as I mentioned, their tools, their expert advisors, their indicators, all that mechanism tools that they were using since they know themselves as traders, which they cannot, some of them, they don't know how to convert it to MQL5 and apply it on MetaTrader 5. So it's in fact, people are used to it. They don't want, people are the resistance to change is enormous, and when it comes to something that deals with money, the resistance is even higher.